Today's in this very video I'm going to show you how to connect your smartwatch with your smartphone. First of all, you have to open both the watch and phone, and then from the settings bar you will have to find the QR code so that you can find the apps. So here it is. I have opened the camera and then search the keyword. It redirected me to the Play Store, or you can simply go to Play Store and download the Free Fit app. So it's taking a while to download the apps. So here it is. Now I'm going to open it and open some settings like Bluetooth option, and it will need some permission which you will have to give. And then I am skipping the logging as I am logging for the first time. Then I am giving the permission allow. Then I will have to go to the watch again to open the Bluetooth option so that I can find the device easily. And then from my phone I will have to give permission to the app, Free Fit app. The device is unbound, so I am clicking the add a device button and then giving the Bluetooth access open. But the problem is the phone is not recognizing the watch. So what I'm doing is simply open the QR code again and search the device for faster login. And now you can see how fast it find the device and taking some time to binding. And here it is connected successfully. And that is how you can connect your watch through your smartphone.